Today in this session I will tell you how to conduct an experiment on inverting amplifier. Before that you need to assure that your components are working, like function generator should generate waveforms properly, and it should be able to display, you should be able to display your waveforms properly on the CRO. So first step is to check whether function generator is generating the waveforms. So how you will do that? You should connect probe to the function generator and connect this like this. Then common, that is ground, you should connect. So check on this. Check on this. If the signal is visible, then function generator is working properly. Okay, and also it assures that your CR is also working properly and channel is taking the signal to display. So you can even check the second channel if it is displaying the or it is working correctly or no. So remove this and check another channel. So even this second channel is displaying the sine wave. It means that channel 1 is also displaying the waveform, channel 2 is also displaying the waveform properly. So next step is to check the RPS. If your RPS is giving the proper DC voltages, that you have to make sure, switch on your RPS. Okay. So check if the is giving proper voltages. So DC voltage LED and vary this. So keep it some like 10 voltage. Proportionately it should be displaying the voltages. So channel this is working, and let us check this one, because for inverting amplifier you need to have two supply, that is plus VCC as well as minus VCC. So this is also giving proper DC voltages. So for this I will set it to some 12 volt, and even this I will set it to 12 volts. So one is plus 12 volt and another one minus 12 volt. That is needed to give a supply to the operational amplifier. Then take one operational amplifier and identify the pins, connect it properly, then take connecting wires. So pin number 7 is plus VCC. So this is pin number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Connect 7 here. And another end, that is negative of the battery, should be connected to ground. So I will make one common ground. And pin number 4 should be given to negative supply, that is minus VCC, minus 12 volt. So I will connect it here to minus, and another end of this RPS I will connect it to ground. Okay, so connect this. First check whether your OPAM is working properly or not. To do that, we have to connect the OPAM in a voltage follower mode. So to do that, short pin number 2 and 6. Pin number 2 and 6. If possible, I will display the circuit diagram in the video, and give input to pin number 3. So this is pin number 3 from function generator. I will give input to pin number 3, and another end of the probe should be connected to ground. Then to display both input as well as output, first I will display input. So this is the for displaying input. This pin I will connect to pin number 2 where I have given the input. So as you can check here, we are getting the input waveform. Then another probe, I will connect it to output. This is a ground, and if you get a sine wave there on the at pin number 6, it means that your op-amp is working properly. Next, you should connect. So you are getting both the wave, that is input will be same as output will be same as the input. So op-amp is working, CRO is working, your RPS is fine, your function generator is fine. Then your inverting amplifier connection should be very easy. So what are the changes? I have shorted for voltage follower. I have shorted pin number 2 and 6. So I'll remove that, and I'll connect in feedback. I'll connect 10K resistor because I am designing it as an amplifier with gain 10. So pin number 6 and 2, I have connected one 10K resistor. You can check it whether it is 10K or no on a multimeter. Then so this one I will remove input because I have to give one input resistor. It is of 1K. So input resistor 1K I will connect here, pin number 2, and give a input from function generator to this end, another end of the resistor. Then one more thing is there to do. You have to short pin number 3 to the ground. So where is the ground? I have connected it on upper line of the breadboard. So this is my ground. I will connect it here. So if possible, I will even display the inverting amplifier circuit in a video. Okay. So given the input, and this is my output probe. I should get the output. See, as you can see here, the output is amplified. Okay, it was in first when we were checking voltage follower mode, it was small. Now it is amplified 10 times. So this is the output, and should take the readings without any hiccups. So this one, if you want to observe the input, you connect this here. See, this is the input waveform and this is the output waveform. Output is amplified version of the input, and since it is an inverting amplifier, there will be phase shift. So you can check, there is a phase shift of 180 degree. They are not same. It is the output is inverted version of the input. So hope this helps to you people, and thank you for watching this.